We'll guide you through how to manage GitHub issues effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to GitHub's website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the repository where you want to manage issues at the left-hand bar. At the top, you'll see the All Issues tab. Click on it to view all current issues related to that project. If you want to create a new issue, click on the New Issue button. This is where you can provide a detailed description of the problem or feature request. Be sure to use clear and concise language, and include any relevant labels or assignees to help categorize and prioritize the issue. Once you're done, hit the Submit New Issue button. For managing existing issues, you can filter them using labels, milestones, or assignees at the top of the issues list. If you need to update an issue, simply click on the issue title to open it. Then you can add comments, adjust labels, or change assignees. To close an issue, look for the Close Issue button at the bottom of the issues page. If you're working on a collaborative project, you might want to use GitHub projects to organize your issues into cards on a board. This can help visualize the workflow and progress. To do this, go to the Projects tab and create a new project board. You can then drag and drop issues between columns to track their status. Keeping your issues organized helps in maintaining the project's momentum and ensures that nothing important falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.